Has Corona infected your data? That is a question that, together with experts from 6 different industries, we tried to answer end of last year. To answer this, we created a case study on a common question in many companies. What marketing activities are effective? Using a typical marketing mix model that we have been using. What we saw is that 71% of all marketing mix models across the different industries using post and pre-data actually provided misinformation and incorrect results. That is based on 6 industries that have been crashed by the coronavirus. Marketing mix models basically analyze the pattern of your sales in connection with various marketing types. It thus will look at the past data of your sales in connection to TV advertisements, sales rep visits, sales events, or other types of rebates. There were 3 reasons why mixing post and pre-COVID data led to incorrect business decisions. Number 1, game theory. Number 2, irreversible behavior breaks. And 3, lockdown data. Game theory is basically helping you how to best act in a given situation. It is often displayed as a kind of matrix, for example, company A and B, on the question on whether or not to invest in marketing. What you will see is that should company A invest in marketing and the other one not, they would gain market share. If both invest in marketing, that's the dominant strategy in this case, and it creates a stable environment. Why it's dominant? Because no matter what company B chooses, if company A invests, they get a better result. Marketing mix models rely on a stable game theory matrix. In changes, like for example in 1971 when advertising tobacco on television was forbidden, yet many tobacco companies had the best years afterwards, it is due to a change on the matrix. Major changes like the tobacco law changed the game matrix, in this case forcing companies actually into a win-win situation with higher profits without losing market share. In the case of COVID, companies are forced to act differently, different marketing, different digital, different people. This changes the game theory matrix significantly as you do not have the same marketing basis anymore. Company will not act in the same logic, thus your data does not reflect the same reality. Number 2, behavior breaks. Corona is changing our everyday lives irreversibly. Data is just a representation of our daily lives, thus data and data science need to adapt to the new normal. Any event changing market dynamics or consumer behaviors like Corona will impact how and if you can even use your data for business decisions. More data does not mean good data to take business decisions. You might get mathematically right answers, but not business relevant. Number 3, lockdown data. Whether it is sales or whether it is your marketing activities, the lockdowns, as well as different parts of Corona, have significantly added noise for the period, which meant that your sales would have went one way versus your marketing differently. This forced your marketing mix model to be invalid in many of the cases due to that model. Did Corona infect your data? In most industries, the answer is yes. Be very careful to take business decisions based on data that is considering the Corona time period. What has worked Corona might not work after Corona. The same way we change our lives, we need to add new rules of managing data and running data science projects. In some industry, it will be a minor change, in some a more significant.